We have already formed a high-level inquiry committee into this. They are collecting all the evidence that is available, and the committee is given time up to about 25th February. Let them work on their job, and they will come with their recommendation. We have never asked the police on our own to enter the campus, and we will be the last person. I will be the last person to ask the police to enter the campus. They asked us some information, some audio and video footage about the incidents that took place here. We provided that, and in that connection they wanted to come to the campus as per law. So we said, well, if it is as per law, they are supposed to do what they are supposed to do. As we have already mentioned in our press note, we stand by freedom of expression. Through you, let me appeal to the entire JNU community. It is all of our responsibility to bring normalcy so that we go on with our academic activities.
सफिशिएंट होगा कि ये व्यक्ति उस दिन उस मजमे में शामिल था और इसने जो है उसमें स्पीच भी दी थी और उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया था, जहां पर राष्ट्र विरोधी नारे लगाए गए थे और राष्ट्र विरोधी बातें की गई थी। जो वहां पर साक्ष्य हमने इकट्ठे किए हैं, उन साक्ष्यों के बेसिस पे हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद के बच्चे वहां पर खड़े थे, वो जो डीएसयू का द्वारा किया गया कार्यक्रम था उसको अपोज कर रहे थे। पर अगर कोई इस प्रकार का साक्ष्य आएगा कि उन्होंने भी विरोधी कार्रवाई की तो उनके खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Filing cases against elected student leaders under the charge of sedition, that is declaring war on the Indian state, is a political matter. It has nothing to do with the university issues. It has nothing to do with the academic issues in the campus. It is directly state intervention to suppress freedom of expression, and they want to label us as Pakistani agents.
This is an issue that has to be dealt and seen in the larger interest of the country's unity, security and sovereignty. This is not a petty political issue. तो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट यह है सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से थोड़ा दलगत राजनीति से बाहर आके देश के हित में सोचना चाहिए, देश का एकता और सार्वभौमता उसका सोचना चाहिए। और जो लोगों ने जो आपत्तिजनक नारे दिए, प्रदर्शन किए, ऐसा लोगों के ऊपर कठोर, उनका जो भी कानून के अंतर्गत संभव है वो कठोर शिक्षा उनको देना चाहिए। इसमें कोई सॉफ्टनेस दिखाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है।